you're singing, and you're singing, your vocals, your instrument, your vocals are also your body. So it's sort of hard to get that coordination. So I really appreciate a singer who's able to do both.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat berjumpa kembali di channel The World Music Talent. Apa kabar semuanya? Semoga semua dalam keadaan baik dan sehat selalu. Oke guys, di video kali ini kita akan melihat 3 reaktor asal luar negeri yang bereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan seperti apa keseruan dari reaksi mereka, langsung saja kita gaskan.
Putri Ariani performing Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me. But before we start, this is a reaction video. It's a commentary video, so I'm gonna pause and provide some commentary along the way, but I'll of course link the full performance below so that you can check it out without me disturbing you. But you clicked reaction/vocal analysis, so here we are.
Like, my name is Andrei.
And I'm Dominika.
And we're back again with another reaction to
Putri Ariani with Don't Let the Sun Go Down on Me. To go far, so I'm 100% sure. So I feel sad that she didn't win for her, but in a way I feel happy for her because now the world is there for her.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, she plays herself. Yes. Just right away, right up in my alley, starting with that gorgeous run and that perfect lightness in her head voice, but like a beautiful contemporary sounding head voice. Like, not that there's anything wrong with classical sounding, but you know, in this context.
Look at her, wow.
I can't lie.
With your singing, and you're singing, your vocals, your instrument, your vocals are also your body. So it's sort of hard to get that coordination. So I really appreciate a singer who's able to do both.
I can't lie. No more of your darkness.
Okay, tone.
All my pictures seem to fade to black and white. I'm growing tired.
And so much years of practice, but she's such a young girl. I love the song. I remember, I love the song.
I never heard the song.
Oh my god, it's such an amazing song. It's really, really beautiful. I forgot about this song. I haven't heard it for years. It's such an amazing song, beautiful.
I'm growing tired.
Emang luar biasa Putri ya guys ya.
Those breaks at the beginning.
Time stands still before me.
Beautiful, soulful vibrato, gives me like proper gospel vibes. And you know, Elton John, who had this song, Elton John and also George Michael, I think they did a version together, and one was only Elton John, or was it always them together?
Close the door and left me blinded by the light. Don't let the sun go down on me, yeah. Close the door.
Yes.
And left me blind.
Kuat sekali suara vokal Putri ya guys ya.
The control. Before we go into the chorus, I just have to props to that gorgeous tone. And did you see how she widened her mouth positioning when she went up to higher notes there and gave it more volume too?
Oh my god, really, really, really special. I don't know what else to say. Really beautiful.
Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just allow a fragment of your life to wander free.
to that head voice? Gorgeous mix? Yes.
By losing everything, it's like the sun going down, sun going down, sun going down.
That richness of her tone, if you want to experiment with your tone and try to like, oh, how can I get something more similar to her or someone else, a different singer that you like?
Ciri khas lengkingan suara Putri ya guys ya.
I just allow a fragment of your life.
Chest voice or head, like a head voice, or like when you do the mix, do you place it very like in your mask? Or yeah, so there's a lot of things that can go on, but and also your mouth placement, how wide it is, but don't do anything that hurts.
I'm going down. I
The relaxed face.
Melengking sekali guys ya.
By losing everything, it's like the sun going down on me.
But just notice, like, there's a high soft palate, there's good space in her mouth, but she's like really relaxed. Her face, like, she's not twitching any face muscles or straining or anything like that. It's just she's got the control.
Sampai kehabisan kata-kata beliau ya guys.
Down on me.
Gorgeous tone on that head note. Yes.
You know what? I have to comment on that. Thank you, because we talk about it a few times. That the way she sings, it's so much that she's in completely different state of mind when she sings, and the way she talks. This thank you is her signature. Thank you, isn't it?
Thank you, Simon.
Yes.
I'm just gonna say something, and I'm sorry if it's controversial, but I love Whitney Houston too, and she's got something in her tone that reminds me of Whitney Houston. Please don't be mad. I'm a fan too. And now I'm a fan of her too, so yeah.
It's like people vote, right, for it?
I think so,
It was
because he
like
said
a-
America.
they have to choose.
And I think we got some messages, please vote, but we cannot vote for America, unfortunately. But you know what? This, like I said, despite all of that, she exists now. She's gonna be there, and the good things gonna happen to her, and she deserves everything what's coming her way. Like a train.
For that.
Mm,
She deserves it.
she deserves it, yeah.
All right. I think that's for today. See
Yeah.
you next time. Have a lovely day and all the best.
Thank you so much for watching.
Bye-bye.
Oke guys, demikianlah tadi video reaksi dari para reaktor luar negeri yang mereaksi Putri Ariani. Dan sampai bertemu kembali di video-video selanjutnya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.